learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Chushang in Taidong has been famous for its rice since the Japanese colonial period. Rice is a staple in the Hakka diet, and they have a variety of rice-based foods such as broad noodles, sticky rice dumplings, vegetable steam buns, and more. The Chushang Farmers Association has converted its milling plant into a tourist attraction. The plant offers tour guides and a hands-on zone where visitors can try using the tulong, a hand-cranked rice huller. Visitors can also experience DIY popped rice and straw weaving.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and a lot of rice are being eaten this month because we are talking about rice, more rice, and more rice. We're taking you to a county and a township that is known for its rice called 台东池上。
对啊，这边米好吃，当然要多吃一点啦。
是，那除了知道这边有好米可以吃，是不是有什么好米可以玩呢？
玩哦，我记得有个地方可以去体验一下。
OK，
这个池上这边有一个精密工厂，你就可以亲手来体验一下早期的先民是怎么来精密的。
哦，工厂是一个工厂，是不是？
对。
All right, this is a factory that we want you to visit while you're in Taidong in Chishang, and it's a factory that is going to teach you how they make rice over there. 所以我相信这个地方应该有很多所谓，比如像 DIY 的这种区域啊，让大家去体验嘛，对不对？
超嘎，它这里还可以让你亲手来操作，就是以前的时候哦，人家怎么来弄够。对，怎么来把那个谷跟那个稻米来脱壳的一个工具
哦，
亲自来操作哦。
Longo is kind of a machinery, an old school machinery that they use to make rice, and that's on display there too. And you can actually kind of, get your hands on it.
我们刚刚讲到可以去亲手做一些东西嘛，那我们就来品尝一下美食好了。
要吃了，对
不对？客家人的米食的那个美食很多，米做的很多，但是有一种叫做米蛋卷，你有没有听过？
对，通常只有蛋卷而已。
对，
但是米蛋卷我的确没有听过，也没吃过。Okay, so while you're in this area, you can also check out a lot of rice-related products, such as the rice egg roll. That is something different. I've never heard of that before, and I want to go check it out when I'm in Taidong next time. And this is a very fun factory to go to. 再讲一次，工厂怎么说啊？
工厂。
OK, 这个工厂是让大家可以参观的，就在我们的池上了。That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.